Check out this Ram 2020 1500 Bighorn. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 3.92 rear axle ratio, night edition included, tires 275/55 R20 OWL all-season exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, black headlamp bezels, body color premium power mirrors, body color door handles, exterior mirrors, courtesy lamps, auto dim exterior driver mirror, black exterior truck badging wheels, 20-inch x 9.0 inches premium paint polished exterior mirrors with memory grille, surround 1 black texture, 2 black body color exterior mirrors, black interior accents, dual exhaust with black tips, power folding mirrors, body color front bumper, body color rear bumper with step pads, park sense front rear park assist with STOP, trailer tow group included, trailer brake control, add class 4 receiver hitch, black trailer tow power mirrors, 9 amplifier